Have you lost motivation so badly that you've left your wet palette unused for months on end? I have. I've been procrastinating for months, just trying to get the energy back and the motivation to keep going. And to kickstart everything, I just thought I'd clean up my wet palette and video record myself doing it, and hopefully it helps. Anyway, I'm Andrew and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I just basically show you me just trying to dive back into the hobby after much time has passed. Just been really lazy in the cleanup, and here's my Redgrass Games wet palette. I reviewed it years ago. I love this thing, but I've neglected it, as you can see. All the mold and old paint, acrylic hobby paint, army paint, or all that stuff, just sitting there, baked in. To keep it simple, I ran the faucet right over the wet palette. And look at that, it's falling apart. Didn't expect much. The paper fell apart. That was kind of amusing. Didn't think the paper would just disintegrate like that. The sponge is all stained up. Hopefully I don't have to change the sponge. I don't like spending money when I don't have to, so hopefully I can clean it all off. And here I'm just rinsing it off, just checking to see if any of that paint is gonna leak into the new wet palette paper. And it isn't, it's just stained, I think. Anyway, trying to clean off as much as I can to reuse everything. I don't have an extra sponge and I don't want to order another one. So I put it down, do my best, just keeping it flat. It's been months since I've touched this thing. It looks okay, hopefully it doesn't rub off. Anyway, just my typical flow for getting a palette ready. I have this replacement wet palette paper from Redgrass Games, still in the package. Carefully take out a sheet. Apparently you're supposed to be able to reuse this, but of course the other one just fell apart when I ran water over it. There's two sides, one with text, the other is shiny. And if I remember without reading the instructions, shiny side up. Placing it carefully on the damp sponge. And then I run water over it to saturate the paper, to get everything flat, removing as much of the wrinkles and bubbles as I can, and draining off the extra water. I'm pretty happy at how quickly that came together. Anyway, to get rid of the excess water, you can see that there with the bubbles and the wrinkles. And I dab it with a dry paper towel. Just carefully just rubbing it to get rid of the wrinkles, to get it all ready and flat for paint. And to test it out, I grab, my next color, Army Painter Fur Brown, for my next paint job. And it goes on pretty smooth, nice and clean, ready to go. Hopefully this works out. I think I'm ready to go. Paint looks good. I haven't diluted it or anything. Brush thins it out. No dilution of water. It's ready to go for my first base coat layer. And I'm done for the day. I'm gonna close this up for the next time I get to the hobby desk. That's all I have for now. Thanks for watching.